Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in the channel, please like and subscribe my channel. In this video, we have to solve 50 more questions. Let's start. 633 question number. Recently, a memorandum of understanding has been signed by Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh and which state to implement Ken Bitwa Ling project. Uttar Pradesh. Where has the 2-day Nandini River Festival recently concluded? Mangalore. Which of the following is the theme of the World Water Day 2021? Wailing water. Who has been awarded the Peace Prize for the year 2020 by the Indian Ministry of Culture? Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Recently, who has started the Sahi Disha Samman Abhiyan? Answer is UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. Which country has recently passed a law legalizing euthanasia? Spain. This is again important question. Spain. Which country has recently passed a law legalizing euthanasia? Spain. Recently, which has emerged as a model state for Van Dhan Vikas Yojana? Manipur. Which actress has been honored with National Award at the 67th National Award Ceremony? Kangana Ranaut. Martyr Day is celebrated on which of the following days? 23rd March. Which of the following film has been awarded the Best Film Award at the 67th National Award Ceremony? Chichore. Jharkhand government has announced to give additional salary of how many months to health worker? Jharkhand government. 1 month. Which country has got the first place in the World Happiness Report 2021 sponsored by United Nations? Finland. Recently, Sarkaryakar or General Secretary of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS has been elected Dattatreyya Hosewal. Samia Suluhu Hassan has become the first female president of which East African country? Tanzania. Which medal has been won by India's para athlete Singraj in the 2021 Para Shooting World Cup? Gold medal. Who has recently won the 11th Hockey Women National Championship? Haryana. Where was the Amar Ikusi Book Fair inaugurated recently? Dhaka. Recently, who has been honored with International Women of Courage 2021? Kausalya Sankar. Recently, who has become the first Muslim actor to be nominated for Oscar? Riz Ahmed. Which country has recently changed the name of its information ministry? Bangladesh. Who has recently become the first transgender person to be featured on the front cover of the Time magazine? Elliot Page. Which of the following former cricketer has been honored with SJA British Sports Journalism Award for the year 2020? Michael Holding. National Immunization Day is celebrated on which of the following days? 16 March. Scientists of which country have recently installed a large space telescope inside Lake Baikal? Japan. Sorry, this is not. Scientists of which country have recently installed a large space telescope inside Lake Baikal? Russia. Recently, the central government has allowed to increase foreign investment in the insurance sector by what percent? 74%. Who has been appointed the chief statistician of India recently? GP Feudal. Recently, who has been included in the WEF list of young global leader? Deepika Padukone. Which of the following country has announced to build the world's largest floating and solar farm? Singapore. The East African country Kenya has refused to participate in the proceeding of the International Court of Justice on the maritime boundary dispute with which neighboring country? Somalia. The government of parliamentary committee has recommended to reduce the age of juvenile from 18 to how many year under POCSO Act? 16 year. Who among the following has won the gold medal in the women 100-meter race in 24th Federation Cup Senior Athletics Championship being held in Patiala? Dhanlakshmi. According to the World Air Quality 2020 report, which of the following has become the most polluted capital in the world? Delhi. In which state was Vanvasi Samagam organized recently? Uttar Pradesh. Which app has been launched by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution to help migrant laborers? Mera Ration app. Which of the following country has overtaken UAE to become India's second largest oil supplier country? This is again important one, very important question. India's second largest oil supplier country. America. In which of the following state Kala Namak Rice Festival will be organized? Uttar Pradesh. The World Health Organization has approved the emergency use of single-dose corona vaccine of which of the following American pharmaceutical company? Johnson & Johnson. After Switzerland, which country has now decided to ban wearing burqa? Sri Lanka. Who has recently been appointed as the new captain of Test team by the West Indies Cricket Board? Craig Brathwaite. Who among the following has become the first Afghanistan batsman to score double century in Test cricket? Asmatullah Saidi. Who among the following has become the second women cricketer in the world and first Indian woman to complete 10,000 runs in women's international cricket? Mithali Raj. Where is Herat Utsav celebrated recently? Jammu and Kashmir. Which country has recently started the first military exercise in space? France. Recently, the president of which country has won the African Leadership Award? Niger. Where has India first transgender community DEX weapon recently? Telangana. Recently, which state has been ranked top in land record digitization? Madhya Pradesh. Thank you, friend.